Congress General Secretary has tweeted controversy yet again. He says 6 communal incidents in 2 months. In Bihar, communal violence also in Kishtwar, then in Tonk in Rajasthan. He says, I had warned the BJP shall target the non-BJP states, clearly hinting at the BJP's role in spreading communal violence. And this tweet has now sparked a massive political fight.
दिग्विजय सिंह जी को किसी अच्छे डॉक्टर के सलाह की जरूरत है, क्योंकि वो ऐसे अनाप शनाप बयान दे रहे हैं। ये एक मानसिकता का परिचय होता है कि जिसमें लोग आपा खो बैठते हैं और निश्चित रूप से जब उनकी हताशा उससे प्रदर्शित होती है। अब किश्तवाड़ में कोई कहे कि बीजेपी नॉन कांग्रेस टारगेट होगा, नॉन कांग्रेस स्टेट्स टारगेट होंगे, हद हो गया।
Digvijay Singh, through a series of tweets, has attacked the BJP yet again this morning. He has said that the BJP, he had warned, will attack in the non-BJP states, including Rajasthan, including Bihar, and the latest in Kishtwar.
I think the entire nation now is aware of Mr. Digvijay Singh's tactics of trying to divert attention from the malgovernance of the Congress-led UPA. Every time prices of food goes up, like the prices of onions have shot up, Mr. Digvijay Singh comes up with a new conspiracy theory. Every time the economy is challenged, like you saw the industrial growth rate which came out yesterday, which is now at a negative of -2.2%, Mr. Digvijay Singh comes out with a new strategy of diverting attention from issues of development. So I feel that since the entire nation now knows that Mr. Digvijay Singh stands exposed with regards to his political strategy, to even waste one more sentence of him would be, I think, futile.